Welcome to the Batch Extractor tutorial. I am representing the MEDiml lab team, and in this tutorial, we will explore the batch feature extraction page. Let's begin by configuring the inputs. As a reminder, tooltips are available by hovering over the text to provide additional information about each input. Here are the required inputs. NPY dataset folder. Specify the path to your processed dataset. This dataset should have been generated using the Data Manager page. Settings file. Provide a JSON file containing all the necessary parameters for extraction, including interpolation, filtering, etc. Dataset CSV file. Include a CSV file containing information about the scans in the dataset to be used for radiomics analysis, along with the corresponding regions of interest names. Save folder. Select the folder where the radiomics features will be saved. Number of cores. Set the number of cores to utilize for parallel processing. Notice that the Run button is currently inactive, but will become active once all inputs are configured. Additionally, there is a Show Results button, but since no features have been extracted yet, no results are available. Let's proceed to set up our inputs. Specify the path to the processed dataset. Choose the configuration file. You can click Edit to modify settings in real time. For each modality, you can adjust settings for interpolation, resegmentation, filtering, etc. Let's change the filter used for example and set up its parameters. After editing, remember to save your changes. Detailed settings information can be found in the MEDiml documentation. Be aware that random choices of parameters will lead to errors. Provide the path to the folder containing your dataset CSV file. Further details about this file can be found in the MEDiml documentation. Select the Save folder. Choose the number of cores to utilize. We will use 12 cores for this demonstration. Now that the Run button is enabled, we can initiate the feature extraction process. Monitor the progress bar to track the extraction progress. Depending on your dataset size, the duration of this process may vary. We recommend taking a coffee break while waiting. Upon completion, the extraction summary will summarize the extraction files created during the analysis. Click Open Folder to view the feature's CSV files. That concludes our tutorial. Enjoy your extraction process, and we look forward to your participation in future tutorials.